how to buy jailstool token on MEXC. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. Also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simplest to go below. Fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So as you can see, to be able to buy this token on MEXC, make sure you have an account on MEXC. If you don't have an account on MEXC, go down in the description. You will be able to find the referral link. Go and create an account on MEXC, fund it with some USDT. And after that, after you create an account on MEXC and fund it with some USDT, now go and just copy the token symbol here of that token called the jailstool. As you can see, just copy it and now go to your MEXC account, type here on search. I'll just close this. So in search here, paste it. So after you find it, as you can see here, you will be able to find the token here. So I will just, so as you can see, you will be able to see this pair here. Now click on it. So after that, what you need to do, just wait a few seconds. As you can see, this is our token to be able to buy on your account. So after that, click on buy here. Now select the limit, or the market is the same. So after you select the limit here, just type how much you want to buy. And here you will be able to see how much you receive, how much you will be able to pay in order to buy this token. So after that, click on buy jailstool. So if you select the market, you can drag this to set how much of percentage that you want to use of that USDT you have on your account to be able to buy this token. So after that, click on buy jailstool and you will be able to buy this token on your account. So this is how to buy jailstool token on MEXC. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.